the, what's wrong, buddy?
Do you not like cash?
Is that what it was?
I'm not sure. I didn't see him.
I thought a bug got after him.
Maybe that was it. Because I didn't see his ears so bad.
Uh-uh. At the Christmas parade, I thought I had, after it was all over, I thought I had shut it off. And we were all standing around talking and,
Recording?
I was recording, hours of recording.
That was fun. I enjoyed that.
Yeah, I did too. Wasn't that a cool picture of you and Trish and the Corrales?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
I was so glad that,
I had no idea if it went for you.
well, I get that little magazine, newspaper, and I started not to look at it because I was going through tons of paperwork, and I thought, I'll just check this out. And there you were. So I called Alva and asked her to save a copy of, the one she gets. And so I could give each of you one.
It's like there was that one picture of Trish and I doing gray horses, and then the other picture was two paint horses.
Yeah, I mean, as long as her goes behind him and she gets...
Follows quietly, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is your problem?
I think it's hot and got all this hair.
Yeah.
I guess.
What a good time to
What was that? Oh, no, we're just talking about our horses scratching their faces. So it's itchy.
You should ride Dawkins.
Well, this has been an experience for me.
You'll have a good experience too.
Yeah.
Go ahead. This one is a really good
Yeah, but oh, you're kidding? He can ride bareback, anything.
Yeah.
So if I hadn't had him out,
What do you feed him? Or what's his diet?
mostly grass hay, and I do give him a tiny amount of alfalfa, but they don't really like that.
No. That's not too bad. A lot of people
Well,
have something.
Heidi,
I sent you
well,
that.
Don't eat too much alfalfa.
well, I mean little.
I mean a handful.
Recently?
Well, I think it was last week.
Also, okay, I didn't get it. The first one you sent, I saw, it was coming on this certain night, and I wasn't able to watch it,
Maybe
so I
it's
just
on the equinox
deleted
TV,
it.
yeah.
I didn't know you could still.
You can, because she sent me another
Well,
email
it's
that
only about it.
had the little.
You got it, didn't you?
The one about barefoot?
Last week.
Well, you and Janice, and did you watch it?
You just,
I watched part of it, but it was too long for the time that I had allotted.
Oh, he does.
Now,
He has a
she
lot of
changed her
things.
email. She's no longer Yahoo, she's Gmail. Honey Express 6019 at
Yeah.
Gmail.
Looks like somebody hasn't had a workout in a while. Neither, huh?